Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market alert for Monday, October 31st. Jen Amos is off today. U.S. stock futures and markets around the world are pulling back after last week's solid gains. That rally was driven by a comprehensive reform plan by European leaders designed to contain the region's debt crisis. But now investors are calling for more details. Another factor weighing on the global equity markets today is a move by Japan to lower its own currency. The government sold an undisclosed amount of yen in the foreign exchange market to try and help its exporters compete more effectively with international rivals. It's the Bank of Japan's first intervention in the currency market since August, and the sale is reported to be even bigger than that one. The move is sending the yen to its lowest level against the US dollar since just after World War II. The dollar is also stronger against other major currencies, and that's pushing commodity prices lower. Right now, gold is dropping back near $1,740 an ounce, and crude oil is trading at around $93.50 a barrel. All this market action comes ahead of the Group of 20 summit in Cannes, France, scheduled for this Thursday and Friday. The international leaders will have a lot on their plate, including restoring global growth and finding ways to implement the Greek debt and banking recapitalization plan that EU nations recently agreed upon. The U.S. economy will also come into sharper focus later this week, with Friday's government employment report for the month of October. Economists predict that 90,000 new jobs were created, following more than 100,000 in September. Ahead of that report, the Federal Reserve is expected to keep its monetary policy steady at this week's two-day meeting. The third quarter earnings season is mostly over, but we still have some big names set to report this week, including Comcast on Wednesday and Prudential Financial on Thursday. Of the more than 300 companies in the S&P 500 that have reported already, 77% have topped profit forecasts, a better percentage than we've seen over the past 4 quarters. And finally, one more name to keep an eye on this morning is MF Global. The Wall Street Journal reports that the company is close to a deal to file for bankruptcy protection and then sell its assets to Interactive Brokers Group. The price tag reportedly would be about $1 billion. For now, the Federal Reserve Bank of New York has suspended MF Global from conducting business with the bank, a possible precursor to a termination of MF's status as a primary dealer. That's the latest from Weiss Research. I'll be back after the opening bell with all the market-moving action.